Brate, zove me uši, brate, da li je to pritisak ili mi samo... Kako se mongolida, brate? Indija? Pa radi će mi se padne neko od posla, treba me zabaviti prosto. Bro, you Indian? Hey bro. Hey brothers. You Indian brothers? Then don't tell me what to do. How are you, my brothers? Sorry, brothers. How are you? Do you want to see a magic trick? Do you want to see a magic trick, guys? Guys, you want to see magic trick, guys?
You looking like a Tangla Pata.
No, me Andrew Fake, bro. Me Andrew Fake, most wanted man in the world.
I kill you, motherfucker. I'm Tony Montana. Don't fuck with me, motherfucker. I kill you, motherfucker.
Man in the world. Me Bugatti, bro. What color is your Ferrari?
Pokaži magic trick.
You want to see a magic trick? Yeah, sorry guys, I was laughing, but I don't know why I was laughing.
Šta to radiš, uvece?
Centro, slatko da te pitam nešto, znači.
Pitaj.
Brate, kad bi napravio kanal koji se zove Andrew Fake, ali bi to pilo vodu, brate?
Kako?
Andrew Fake.
Super. Sve moje belo je...
Brate, tada Tony Montana, most criminal world in America.
Ljubav.
Pozdrav za stream, brate.
Pozdrav za stream, braćo moja. Lili, evo ga u jas, brate. Šta ima, brate moj? Brut, ko je Brut? To mi neko rekao, to je neki naš reper, brate. Od nečega mora se krene, brate, da će Bog da uskoro tu bude 1000 ljudi i da svima bacam pare kao Mr. Beast, brate.
Da si lajkujemo stream, brate.
Što sam ti rekao da ličiš na Bruta.
Da, ti si mi rekao da ličim na Bruta, brate. Brate, stvarno ličim na čoveka, evo.
Ti si, brate, samo još da repuješ.
Pa, brate, repuj me malo.
Ozbiljno.
1, 3, 1, 2, repetiram ja.
Čega su te medalje, brate?
Ok. Futbol, brate moj. Najjači sam futboler nekad bio.
Da si igra, brate, koju poziciju?
A, špica, brate. Samo u glavu ubijem, brate, znači. Nikako, brate, recite, ne drogama. Ke me mira, ovo. Habibi.
Mora staviš, brate, naočare, znaš.
Naučite.
Izgledaš kao Andrew Fake.
Samo kažu rađeno vreme ispred mene.
I Tompus i onu, brate, zlatnu kajlu.
Čekaj, Kajlu se
Tompus i
kači
zlatnu
već
kajlu.
čekaj. Brothers, tell me what color is your Bugatti? Tell me. Tell me what color is your Bugatti? Ah, you watch basketball, so what color is your Bugatti? Huh? I want to ask you, che mi mira, Volvo. Okay? So, pick card now. Why you are in school on your phone on a fucking Omega? Switch that shit off. Thank you and see you. Thank you, come again.
What? What are you thinking? I mean, thank you. I'll come again.
Bro, Brad Pitt, ste vidjeli?
Čika gledao Blutka.
Ne znam šta je to, brate.
Googlaj Blutak, Bog te pa.
Kako? Oblutak. Jebem vas usta. Ćao, braćo.
Ćao. Lajvaš, brate, jel da?
Tako je, braćo. Znate ko je Andrew Fake?
Čekaj da.
Serbian Games BL. Di si bura?
Kako znate da sam Srbin, brate? Aj sad mi kažete. Danas sam Andrew Fake, braćo. Hoćete da vidite trik, brate?
Hoćemo.
Pa nemam trikovi, ja sam fake. Trik, brate, braćo, evo treba se subscribe-ujte na moj kanal i da podržite svog brata, jer kad budem postao bogat, ja ću da se setim baš ovog trenutka i da vam pošaljem po 100 €.
Može.
Kad budem... Hello. Hello. United Arab Emirates. Are you a prince? Can you please fuck me and give me money?
Hey, you bitch. Hey, you bitch. You talking to who?
Please fuck me, bro, and give me money. I want to be prince.
Yeah, you want money? Come, I'll give you money.
Come, I come to you, Habibi.
From where are you?
Me, Serbia, bro. The strongest
What the
country in
fuck
the world.
What the fuck is this country? First time I hear it. Where the fuck is it located?
In the middle of Europe, bro. The unbrand game from Europe. Gem,
Yeah,
how do you say?
you gangster?
Yes, me gangster, bro. Me, what color your Bugatti?
What kind of Bugatti? You fucking don't have
Me,
even a
Andrew
fucking
Fake,
car.
bro. Show yourself. You see, I show myself. You don't show yourself. You
I don't
pussy,
need to
bro.
show myself.
You
I don't
pussy
need to
and
show
you like
myself
dicks.
because
You
I'm
told me.
famous.
You told me
Because I'm
that you
famous.
like dicks and I have it
Yeah,
recorded and I will put on my
I'll
YouTube.
suck my dick.
You
In
like
my
dicks, bro.
country, in my country.
You, bro, you fake. You more fake than Andrew Fake. Bro, call your wife to make me a sandwich. Hey, hello, bro.
Hey, what's up, G?
What's up, G? How are you? But look now, I'm a real G, bro. Look,
Oi!
real G, bro, huh? You ask for G, you got a G, bro.
G with a G.
I'm
with a
Andrew
G.
Fake, bro.
You doing boxing?
Yes, I do boxing, bro. Look. First in the world. Look, all gold, bro. I'm not kidding. Follow me on YouTube, bro. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Kick, Twitch.
Wait, bro.
I am Tyler Jordan, bro.
Really? Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, Andrew Tate.
Hard. This will be hard.
Yeah.
And once when I have like millions, I will send you 100 €, bro. I will remember this
Yeah.
moment, I promise. Wait, I need
Yeah.
to destroy my setup. In order to see, look.
Ooh, cigarettes, yeah.
There is my brother Gaddafi.
Beautiful.
Gaddafi, say hello to YouTube.
Shut up.
I'm Andrew Fake. Wait.
Where you from,
Andrew Tate.
Wow, nice. Yes, Andrew, not Andrew Tate, bro. Andrew Fake.
Andrew Fake.
Yes. And you're drinking
Yeah, we're drinking
and smoking.
and smoking.
Not nice.
Nice.
Must be nice.
Very
Yo,
nice.
Must be nice.
listen.
Very nice.
I'm Andrew Fake. So what color is your Bugatti? I see that you're in Bugatti now.
What?
You're... But it's not that. How old are you? Sorry, I don't ask girls for years, but they're telling me that you're a kid.
I am 16, they are right.
16? Sorry. Sorry, YouTube. I didn't mean to do this. I'm really sorry. So keep in mind that you need to learn the school and to finish your exams on time. Yo, my boy. Oh, brothers.
Yo, brother.
Wait. I pay you 10 euro if you make him haircut like Ronaldo. But the fat Ronaldo. Evo šišim se vraća na stream. Ok, I pay 10 euro. You make like... Neće vraća priču sa mnom.